asked me about our corporate philosophy at Piedmont Realty and Construction, it's really about doing what's right and building a great home and waking up every morning, whether you're selling homes for Piedmont Realty and Construction, whether you're building homes for Piedmont Realty and Construction, whether you're a trade partner, whether you're a supplier, whether you're a realtor, and knowing every day that it's the do what's right attitude and do what's right every day and work hard and know that you've got the backing of everyone in the organization. If you're working to build a better home, if you're working to build enduring relationships, you're doing the right thing and you'll be rewarded for that.
First thing I noticed was when the market turned, a lot of builders were trying to figure out a way to adjust their offering to meet the downward pressure on pricing. And a lot of times that meant reducing the quality of the home or stripping things from the home. And Drew's philosophy was, how do I leverage all my trade relationships and all the things that are available to me as I allocate my construction costs to make the home better and create value in the marketplace. And when you start talking about the core components of every Piedmont home and its basic offering, I think people are really responding to it, and he's created a home that represents value in the marketplace by trying to create something special as opposed to coming up with something that was just trying to hit a price point.
The difference in selling a Piedmont Realty and Construction home versus any of the other homes that I've sold is that we really focus on the needs of the customer. And what I mean by that is how they live in a home. It's not about building the biggest home and giving them the most space. It's about taking what they need and want, designing the home around how they live, but yet doing it in the most efficient home that we can, so that in essence it saves them money on the purchase price, and then it makes their lives easier every day.
I think the freedom to make choices is actually what makes us different, and people appreciate that. In Charlottesville specifically, when people come through the door and they're like, well, I like this house, it feels great, but what if I wanted to move a wall? Would that be a possibility? And when we say yes, you can move that wall and make it the room the way you want it, people get excited, they get really tickled, and when they move through the process with us, that seems to be the most exciting thing, is that it becomes their own home.
It's truly a joy each day to get up and go to work. Working for a local company, a local builder who cares about the products that they're putting into their home.
I think Piedmont Realty and Construction is all about quality and service. They build a very superior product to most builders in the area, in my opinion. And I feel like service and communication are key. I know that all of our clients, every single one, 100%, have been very happy and feel like they have received a quality product with great service.
Well, the earth-friendly home, what's really important to us and what we sat down to achieve when we started Piedmont Realty and Construction was to build a home that was not only a value when people bought it, but it was a value to own over the lifetime of the home. And so we put components in the home. The fact that we seal the entire outside envelope and create a thermal barrel with a foam insulation before we insulate. The fact that we put products on the outside of our home that are going to be enduring, that are going to look great 15, 20, 25 years down the road. The fact that we've partnered with Trane, which is the leader in HVAC equipment. And it's not just, we didn't put standard Trane equipment in the earth-friendly home. We put upgraded 95% efficient HVAC systems in our home. And again, it's not because we had to, and we don't have to, it's because it's the right product for our homeowners to be able to afford the home and afford to maintain the home over the lifetime of the home. It will cost you less money to own a Piedmont Realty and Construction home.